So if you're a brand new real estate agent and you want to learn faster and you want to get better faster at all things real estate, today I'm going to give you one big thing that I've been doing that has really been able to expedite my learning and really to make me a better agent faster. And if you didn't know already, my name is Vince from Life with Vince Luu, and on this YouTube channel, I talk about a bunch of different things. My career as a California real estate agent, powerlifting, ultra running, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I do live streams and I also do review videos. I come out with daily content. So there's a little bit of something for everyone. With that being said, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. And the one thing that I've been doing to expedite my learning as a new agent is volunteering my time and skills in exchange for a more experienced agent's time. And I learned long ago, the best way for me to personally learn and to learn faster is to simply ask questions and get those answers from an expert or someone more knowledgeable than me. With this in mind, I approached an agent in my office. I had seen him in all the meetings. I had heard his scripts practice, and he is a killer. So I approached him and made him a proposition. And that proposition was, hey, I would love to exchange my time and my skills for your time. So all I ask is, for you to give me 30 minutes every single morning, and I can ask you anything that I want, and you answer all my questions and more, and just to give me a little bit more insight. And in exchange, I'm going to give you my time, my effort, my skills. And in regards to the exchange rate in terms of time, I propose if he were to give me 30 minutes, I can give him an hour to 2 hours for each 30 minutes that he gives me, just because his business is already up and running. It's already a well-oiled machine. And for me, my biggest focus right now is to learn as much as I can, as fast as I can. So I reached out to him, I proposed this, and he agreed. Yes, let's do it. So every single morning, Monday through Friday, from 7:30 to 8, a lot of time it spills over to 8:15, sometimes even 8:30. He answers any and all my questions. And trust me, I bring a million questions. And in exchange for his time, I give him my time and my skills. I literally help him with anything and everything that he needs help on. If he needs help making a YouTube video, I help. If he needs help taking pictures, I help. If he needs help making a flyer, I help. Anything and everything. And a lot of the tasks that he has me doing are administrative in nature. Hey, go through the MLS, pull the listing and buyer's agent's emails in this specific area for this specific home price. And what I love about this relationship is not only do I literally get any and all my questions answered in depth every single morning, Monday through Friday, but I'm getting to learn how his brain works and what he does, and really to learn his systems and what he does to be a successful real estate agent. So hey, if you're looking for a better way to learn faster, especially as a brand new real estate agent, I would suggest this: reaching out to a more experienced agent, trading your time and skills for their time. So thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Please let me know down below if you have any additional comments or questions for me. Would love to hear from y'all. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. On this YouTube channel, I'll come out with daily content. Again, I talk about a bunch of different things: powerlifting, jiu-jitsu, ultra running. I do live streams. I do review videos. I am a California real estate agent, so there's a little bit of something for everyone. With that being said, if you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here, and there's a video right here. See you all tomorrow.